Hello, my dear friends. I'm about to give you a free gift. It's a sample video from my patreon.com site, and it is a mini mentoring session. You'll get one of these every Friday, just as a little teaser, a little taste to see what it would be like to get one of these 5 days a week. If you decide you'd like to have one of these mini mentoring sessions 5 days a week, ad-free, go to A Better Life with FlyLady Kat at patreon.com, patreon.com, and sign up. It's only $5 a month. You get 20 videos a month, and they are designed to give you a kick in the pants first thing in the morning. It's set up so that you can see them first thing, so you can watch them in bed even before you get going. It's designed for payroll and at-home homemakers, and it will help you with the way you think about the way you're doing life and doing the FlyLady system. So I hope that you go over and check out my Patreon site. While you're there, look at all of the other opportunities that I have for you for mentoring. We do personal one-on-one mentoring. There are different levels of that. And also I offer this year in 2022 financial mentoring. So if you need a budget, if you would like to be financially independent, now's the time to sign up for that as well. Okay, have a wonderful day. Enjoy the video. Hello, my dear patrons. Today is Friday, June the 3rd. We are in summer. I know it's not officially summer, but doesn't it feel like summer, June, July, and August? So we're in summer. I hope that your clothing is reflecting it and that your attitude is reflecting it. Summer is a wonderful time of year. It's a fresh start. It's a new quarter. You know, we love new, we love fresh, so we can go. Okay, remember that discipline seems painful at first, but always gives you peace. That means self-discipline. It seems painful at first. Even if you're disciplining your children, it's a self-discipline. So remember that. But the thing that I want you to really remember today is that when you see a mess in your house, I want you to liken it to seeing a mess in your flower garden or in your borders or in your your vegetable garden, some place in your yard that has weeds in it. Well, you can't expect to go out there and weed the whole thing by yourself in 15 minutes. And you don't do it that way. You do a little at a time, or you should. And so you'll find that you can do maybe a row at a time, or a half a row, or the corner of your flower bed, and it will look so much better. And then the next day you come back and you do the next little part, the next half row or row, the next part of your flower bed, and then the next, and then the next, and eventually the whole thing is weeded. But can you stop there? Absolutely not. What do you have to do? Every time you walk by that flower bed, oh, I see a weed, get it then. Don't pass it up. Pick it out. Don't pass it up, okay? So can you guess where I'm going with this? In your house is like a garden. So when you go into your house and you see stuff everywhere, you have to start somewhere. You can't fix the whole thing at once. So work on an area. If it is a clutter stop, then we're going to pick a room and clutter stop that room. In other words, we're going to pick the little weeds, and in our case, we're going to pick up the things that have a place to go and put them in that place. Okay, and it's going to feel so much better every time you self-discipline yourself and you walk through that room and you've done that. It feels so much better. Now, if you've got a 2 or 3 year old who's dumping their toys constantly, you just turn a blind eye to that. 3 times a day, put their toys back, and at the end of the day, put their toys back. In the meantime, they're going to dump. That's how they learn. So don't worry about that. I'm talking about shoes where they don't go, water bottles where they don't go, balled up Kleenex where it doesn't go, the garbage. Okay, that kind of stuff. Your kids, older kids' things, they have to put them up. Your discipline is to discipline yourself, to discipline them, to make them put them away. Okay? All right. So weed your garden, pick it up, don't pass it up, work on it every day. All right, today is Friday, and if you are payroll or at home, we're still going to do the same thing. We're going to get up 30 minutes before our family. Fresh start. We've had a nice rest. We're ready to be the best mama, to be the best friend, to be the best wife, to be the best homemaker that we can be. All you can do is all you can do, and that's enough, okay? Don't try to be a perfect person. Don't try to do everything. Just do the things that I tell you to do today. So get up and do your morning routine. Don't not do it. Do it. Go in the bathroom, swish and swipe, wash your face, moisturize your skin. What else? Comb your hair, put on a little makeup, go put your clothes on, make your bed, put your pajamas away, go in the kitchen, empty the dishwasher. That's your morning routine. That's your morning routine. So don't say, oh, I'm going to go into the kitchen and do whatever I want. You're not doing what I told you to do, and it's not going to work out the way I told you it would work out. So you can't blame the system. You can blame yourself. You have to discipline yourself. Okay, after we've done our morning routine, do we need to do laundry? Let's get it in the machine. Do we need to go through an inch of paper? Let's get it done. If you have paper clutter, 1 inch a day is going to give you 2 feet a month. Done. That means in a year, 24 feet of paper will be gone. That's insane to me. Anyway, just work on it. If you have more paper than that, great. How long has it taken for it to accumulate? Sorry. How long has it taken for it to accumulate if you have more than that? Years and years? Well, we're going to get it done in months and months, okay? It'll be done. All right, next we're going to wake up our family. Put them through their morning routine, similar to ours. There's no swish and swipe, but almost everything else is the same. Making their bed, putting their clothes on, washing their face, brushing their teeth, combing their hair. Come to the table, serve them breakfast, clean up after breakfast. And then if we still have kids in school, deliver them to school. If you have to go to work, go to work. Have a fabulous day, but don't leave before you do a clutter stop. Thank you. At home moms, same thing. Clutter stop right now. Even if you have to take a child to school, clutter stop first. Take the child to school. Then when you come back, you can do your 15-minute zone work. However, if you don't have to take a child to school, I don't want you to start homeschooling if that's what you're still doing. Hopefully you have put that away for the year, but I know some of you are do it 12 months out of the year. Some people may have had a baby in the middle of the year. They're catching up for lost time. That's fine. Don't start homeschooling until you've done your 15-minute zone work. We are in zone 1, the entryway. You've got 15 minutes to work on your entryway. Complete the process, throw it away, put it away, give it away, and then you can do homeschooling or whatever else it is you want to do. Also today is car and purse day, so at some point you're going to slip out to your car and empty out the contents that don't belong there, things that would become unidentified flying objects if you slammed on the brakes. I know that I have heard people, the most amazing people, say that their cars are an embarrassment to them. Don't let your car be an embarrassment. It's such a simple fix. Go out there and get all the things out of it today. Shake the mats. Maybe on your errand day next week, you can run it through the car wash and maybe put the mats through the mat cleaner. You're going to feel so much better. Then I want you to practice having older children carry a backpack or a permanent, one of those little cloth or plastic grocery bags with their stuff in it. So when they leave the car, all their stuff goes back in it. If you purchase something for them while you're on your trip, maybe you got them a drink or something, then that empty cup needs to go in there as well. If there's still stuff in it, they have to carry it in their hand and carry their bag on their shoulder or on their back, or on their back, okay? If you have one that falls asleep, then you put that thing over your arm, whatever it is, backpack or grocery bag, and pick them up and take them in. Get one of the other children to carry their glass or go back out and get the glass. Depends, okay? All right, so the baby has a container, everybody has a container. Mama, you might have to have a container if you find you're a big old mess too. But then you never ever again have to have this problem, okay? Okay, do it. Discipline brings peace. Discipline brings peace. Okay, now, you're going to enjoy your day. You're going to have a hard stop for lunch and a hard stop for dinner. Lunchtime at home means you're also going to do a clutter stop. And then a hard stop for dinner, clutter stop again. Or you can do that last clutter stop right before the children go to sleep. Let's bring in payroll. Payroll, come on in. It's time for dinner. So you're going to do a clutter stop, your second of the day. And then we're going to make dinner, serve dinner, and clean up after dinner. It's an 1.5-hour project. Maybe an hour and 15 minutes. If you're going on a date with your husband, I'm so happy for you. After dinner, go and make yourself look pretty and smell good and go on your date. Or if your children are eating dinner with the caretaker, then you go, when you come home, get the caretaker in place, and then you go get yourself ready and enjoy your date. When you come back, if you have gone out for a date, go straight to the bathroom, wash your face, moisturize your skin, put on your PJs if you've already taken your shower earlier in the day. If not, take your shower. Lay out your clothes for tomorrow. There's no reason not to do that. You're not a teenager anymore. You can take a few minutes to do self-care. Okay. And then finally, to bed. So if you're not going out, you're at home and you're having a little time with your husband at home, or you're going to have that date night on a different night, then at about 9:30, go make sure your dishes are in the dishwasher. The dishwasher is running. If you get in from your date and it's 10 or 11 or 12, hopefully not that late. I know that sounds crazy, but we don't need to stay out that late anymore. Nothing good happens after midnight. Come in, make sure there's soap in the dishwasher. All the last minute dishes are in there and the dishwasher is running. You're back on track. You're going to feel so much better. Discipline yourself. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, a great weekend. Payroll, tomorrow morning you're going to do 1 hour in your zone. Your zone is going to be 2 days in the living room, 3 days in the entryway. One of those you get to take away because the at-homes had a personal day, a day where they didn't have to do anything. So you might pick 1 day in the living room, 3 in the entryway, or you might pick 2 in the living room, 2 in the entryway. Your choice. Complete the process and then you're done. Also, you're going to do 1 hour of weekly home blessing hour. If you can share this with your family, it can be cut way down. And then enjoy your day. Tomorrow, that's Saturday. Sunday, you're going to do your planning and desk day. You need 2 hours of quiet time on Sunday to plan out the week. The other things that we do during the week are errand day. So you have to arrange when you're going to pick up your groceries or have them delivered. And car and purse day, which you can do on Friday yourself. It doesn't take that long, especially if you're in the habit of not making a mess in your car. Okay, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day and always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.